Hello friends, you've probably heard about time travel, right? In movies, we often see heroes going back into the past and changing the future. But can something like that really happen in real life? Well, in a stunning new experiment, scientists have actually managed to make a quantum computer go 1 second back in time. What does that mean? How did they do it? And why is it important? In today's video, let's explore this incredible scientific breakthrough. First, let's understand how time works in our everyday world. In daily life, time always moves forward. If a glass breaks, it doesn't magically fix itself again. This is a basic rule of classical physics. Time flows only in one direction, from the past to the future. But in the quantum world, things are completely different. In quantum physics, tiny particles like atoms and electrons behave in extremely strange ways. A particle can exist into states at the same time or even be into places at once. If scientists can carefully control these states, they can push the particles back to how they were before, essentially reversing time for them. And that's exactly what the scientists did. They reversed the quantum state inside a quantum computer and brought it back to the state it was in 1 second earlier. This isn't real-time travel, but it is an incredible demonstration of reversing the flow of time inside a quantum system. Let's understand how the experiment actually happened. Scientists used special particles inside a quantum computer. First, these particles were placed in a specific state. Then they were allowed to evolve naturally as time moved forward. After that, the researchers used a special quantum algorithm and applied extremely precise energy pulses to the particles. This reversed the motion of the particles, causing them to go back to their previous state. Think of it like pressing the rewind button on a video. When you rewind, the video goes backwards to an earlier scene. The quantum particles did the same thing. They played backwards. This experiment is extremely difficult because quantum particles are very sensitive. Even the tiniest mistake can ruin the entire process. But the scientists succeeded with incredible precision, making this a milestone in quantum technology. One more powerful computing. Quantum computers are already extremely powerful, but they suffer from one major problem: errors. Because quantum particles are so delicate, mistakes happen easily. Using time reversal, scientists can correct errors by rewinding the system and trying again. This could make quantum computers far more reliable. 2. Better cryptography and data security. Our online information, bank data, passwords, personal messages are all protected using encryption. With time reversal technology, scientists can develop much stronger encryption methods, keeping our data safer than ever. 3. Understanding the universe. Scientists use simulations to study how the universe works. By reversing time in quantum systems, they can study space, time, and energy interactions with greater accuracy. This could reveal secrets about black holes, the Big Bang, and even the science behind time travel. 4. Future of data storage. This technology could also lead to advanced data storage systems. Imagine recovering lost data instantly or storing huge amounts of information in tiny spaces. Time-controlled quantum systems may make these possibilities real. A few decades ago, time reversal existed only in science fiction stories. Today, it's happening in scientific laboratories. Human time travel might still be far away, but experiments like these show that the principles behind time travel are real and measurable. Every new step in quantum science opens up unbelievable possibilities, turning the strange rules of the microscopic world into powerful technology for our daily lives. Just imagine the future: quantum computers, artificial intelligence, space exploration. Everything is evolving faster than ever, and it will change our world completely. Friends, this discovery gives us an important message. In science, nothing is impossible. What seems impossible today may become reality tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it. For more amazing science updates, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.